Bullish ape price prediction goes from $6.307 to $23.307. Ape cost could likewise reach $50 soon. Bearish apecoin price prediction 2022 is $0.647. This apecoin, ape price prediction 2022 video depends on specialized investigation alone. Beneath, you will see the key measurements that we have thought about after thinking of our ape value investigation and forecast. Independent of the 2021 bullish run that saw some digital currencies accomplish another record-breaking high, 2022 has been a decent year for some recently recorded crypto resources like apecoin, ape. The profit from venture on apecoin is more than 400.95% as per CoinMarketCap. In any case, the crypto market is merging recently, and numerous digital currencies are losing their past benefits. Will ape encounter a similar cost instability? We'll figure out presently in this ape price prediction 2022 video. On the whole, we should examine what apecoin, ape is. What is apecoin, ape? Apecoin is a decentralized undertaking enlivened by Yuga Labs' Bored Ape Yacht Club project. Apecoin was established to be utilized inside the prospering ape ecosystem, which is upheld by the Ape Foundation. The Apecoin DAO expects to fabricate and keep up with the ape ecosystem in a fair and comprehensive manner, giving a framework to Apecoin holders to team up through open and permissionless administration processes. Apecoin is an ERC-20 administration and utility token utilized inside the ape ecosystem to enable and boost decentralized local area working at the front of Web3. Now that we are clear about apecoin, do you figure ape will be productive crypto in 2022? Go along with me and let us see the diagrams in this apecoin value examination and ape cost forecast. Apecoin, ape, current market status. At the hour of compassing, apecoin, ape exchanges at $5.06 with a 24 hours exchanging volume of $249,244,905. The cost of ape has expanded by 13.56% in the beyond 24 hours. A portion of the top digital currency trades to exchange apecoin, ape, are Binance, KuCoin, Coinbase, Gate.io, Huobi Global, Kraken, and others. Presently, we should go to the following piece of this ape specialized investigation for 2022. Apecoin, ape, price analysis 2022. At present, apecoin, ape, holds 35th put on CoinGecko. In any case, will the most recent updates, advancement, and changes in the apecoin biological system assist the digital money with valuing to reach higher? We should continue to the graphs in this ape cost expectation. Specialized investigation marker that is utilized to decide pattern bearings by estimating the unpredictability above or beneath the candles. From the Keltner channel signals for ApeUSDT, we can reason that the cost of ape could stay bullish for certain days, since the cost is expanding after a combination around the center of the channel. Be that as it may, in the long haul, the cost could get bullish, since top digital forms of money like Bitcoin and Ethereum are now getting negative from the new bullish run. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, measures the general energy and the size of late cost changes to find oversold or overbought resources. The RSI worth of the 1 hour outline is 51.48. This shows that ape is showing areas of strength for us since it is somewhere in the range of 50 and 70. This worth is setting off a bullish run, since additional purchasers are repositioning, as the worth is moving towards the 70 RSI esteem, which is the overbought locale. From the diagram over, the 90 MA is over the 45 MA, which implies that drawn-out financial backers would acquire. In any case, since the hole between the two moving midpoints is wide, and both moving midpoints are over the as of late shaped candle, the following bullish run may be long. Apecoin, ape, price prediction 2022. The diagram underneath shows that apecoin has performed perfect throughout recent days. Besides, the ape cost shows a bullish. In easier terms, the cost of ape could diminish to nearly $0.647, a negative sign. In the meantime, our drawn-out apecoin, ape, cost expectation for 2022 is bullish. It has a high chance of outperforming its ongoing all-time high, ATH, at about $39.40 as per CoinMarketCap this year. In any case, that will possibly occur assuming it breaks numerous past mental protections. Assuming that this bullish pattern proceeds, APE will hit $24.307 toward the finish of 2022. Also, in July 2022, APE will uncover quick development, up to $6.071. Then, at that point, the ascent will dial back, however no significant falls are normal. With impending organizations and improvements occurring, coming to $50 is very hopeful in the price tag of view, however, without a doubt plausible for the not so distant future. Apecoin, APE, price prediction 2023. On the off chance that APE holds the help level around 90 Ma, which is the drawn out moving normal, purchasers will then, at that point, have more than adequate time and soundness to fashion the following assault mission on the indispensable level at $68, making it not dive yet play in every case. Apecoin, APE, price prediction 2024. According to the most recent overhauls, improvements, Apecoin cost expectation, and new task conjectures of the stage, APE financial backers could expect numerous organizations and reconciliations around 2024. Additionally, this could support the cost of APE in the crypto market, and it will be all that speculation, as the cost can spike and stretch around $90. Apecoin, APE, price prediction 2025. In the following 3 years, Apecoin cost could race up to $150. Likewise, arriving at this level couldn't be so hard for APE as extra medium present moment and long-haul value targets could be found to buy or sell orders. This demonstrates that APE has a high chance of coming to another ATH soon in the following 3 years according to the forecast. Apecoin, APE, price prediction 2026. In the following 4 years, Apecoin cost could race up to $200. What's more, arriving at this level couldn't be so hard for APE as extra medium present moment and long-haul value targets could be found to buy or sell orders. This demonstrates that APE has a high chance of coming to another ATH soon in the following 4 years according to the forecast. Apecoin, APE, price prediction 2027. According to the most recent redesigns, improvements, Apecoin cost expectation, and new undertaking estimates of the stage, APE financial backers could expect numerous organizations and mixes around 2027. Additionally, this could support the cost of APE in the crypto market, and it will be all that speculation, as the cost can spike and stretch around $300. Apecoin, APE, price prediction 2028. In the following 6 years, Apecoin cost could race up to $500. Furthermore, arriving at this level couldn't be so challenging for APE as extra medium present moment and long-haul value targets could be found to buy or sell orders. This demonstrates that APE has a high chance of coming to another ATH soon in the following 6 years according to the forecast. Apecoin, APE, price prediction 2029. According to the most recent updates, improvements, Apecoin cost forecast, and new venture figures of the stage, APE financial backers could expect numerous associations and mixes around 2029. In addition, this could support the cost of APE in the crypto market, and it will be all that venture